Introduction to Ancient Civilizations' Impact on Nature Understanding. The Sumerians and their observations of celestial bodies. Egyptians studying the Nile River's cycle. The significance of agriculture in Mesopotamia. Greeks and their theories about natural phenomena. Roman engineering and its impact on nature study. The Mayans and their astronomical calendar. Chinese contributions to botany and medicine. Indigenous knowledge of natural ecosystem. The role of ancient texts in scientific thought. Mesopotamian ziggurats as observatories. The impact of weather patterns on agriculture in ancient times. Ancient culture's relationship with the environment. The legacy of ancient methodologies in modern science. The importance of observation and documentation. The influence of mythology on understanding nature. Cultural rituals based on natural cycles. The universal quest for knowledge in ancient time. The ongoing relevance of ancient wisdom today. Conclusion summarizing ancient contributions to modern understanding of nature.